Okay, how to fix a leaky faucet. Okay, as you can hear, it's hissing. It's making a hissing sound, and I have it tightly shut, and the main valve is already closed from the inside of the house. Okay, I'm gonna loosen it up a little bit. It doesn't make a noise, but it's still leaking. So I'm gonna try to um, take this top off. You can use this tool too. Okay. Okay. So you can see that the rubber washer is really worn out. That's probably why it's leaking. Okay. So if I put a plug there, and you can see the water will start overflowing from there. So we're gonna try to unscrew this one. Okay, so I don't have the new parts yet, but I'm gonna try to maybe switch this washer the other way. Okay, the good side out, and then screw it back. So let's see if it'll stop the leakage. Screw it tight, and then install it back. Oh, look, stopped it instantly. I guess that worked. Okay, you don't even need a plumber, and you don't even need to get a new part. Okay, that's it. It worked. I hope this helped. Thank you, guys. Bye.